What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video. Now today we got a case I picked up off Amazon. I'll put the cheapest link down in the description. I believe this case was like 20 bucks from a company called ESR. Today we got the soft case with stash stand. So we had a clear case from ESR with the stash stand, which is just basically a kickstand. They make a kickstand out of the ring that protects the cameras. But we had the clear case, and now we got the soft case. The soft case is more so like a silicone case for your iPhone 16 Pro. Much cheaper than the Apple cases that they sell with more features. So if you take a look, Cloud Series, foldable stash stand, exceeds 3 times military grade protection. So this is a silicone case that offers military grade drop protection. Very dope at this price point. Take a look at the back. Silky smooth silicone, strong magnetic lock, foldable stash stand. So we're just gonna pull it out like so. You get some instructions in the warranty, so that's dope. Any case that comes with a warranty, I feel like is dope because it's nice when manufacturers stand by their products. But here we go, guys. Pull it out like so. And this is a nice clean case, guys. Nice clean case. The colorway is light tan. It kind of remind me of the taupe colorway that I did. The mauve case that I did came in the taupe colorway. Kind of remind me of that case. And that was another $50 case. But as you can see, we got our MagSafe ring on the back. Big raised up camera protection now, guys. And as you can see, it opens into a kickstand. So this is where you're going to actually pull open. And over here it says camera guard. So you're getting big camera protection and you're getting a kickstand. And this kickstand is not cheap or flimsy. This is like a real metal, like a real aluminum. And it definitely like locks in place. So it's not just swinging open. And it has a nice snap close. On the outside, guys, the case is a silicone case, but it still has some structure to it. It's not super flimsy like a TPU. It does have some structure to it, some polycarbonate under here, but it just got a little flimsiness to it, but it is definitely like some type of polycarbonate layer under this silicone. But the silicone actually gives it this amazing feeling texture and hand, really soft, really smooth. Also on the inside, you're going to see some branding, and they're going to talk about Halo Lock. That's their magnetic case technology, and a really smooth velour type feel on the inside like you would see on the case at a higher price point. ESR really does their thing at a cheaper price point, guys, I must say. Got a big cutout here for your camera control. Got your power button right here. And I'm not seeing no slits, so we definitely gonna have to check out the button press. Got your action button and your volume rockers over here. So here we go, guys. And I mean, this light tan goes great with the Desert Titanium. Just a really nice, clean aesthetic. Again, reminds me of mauve, but at a cheaper price point. As you can see, we got all the camera protection in the world. Nice aluminum raised up lip. Now the lip goes out to this kickstand, guys. Here's how you could utilize the kickstand. It's not for portrait, it's for landscape. So you could be out and you could be having you some lunch and like watching some content like some BG Tech Life. Nice big opening to get to your camera control. A spot for you to put a lanyard. As you can see, they've done something with this button. It's kind of got some slits that you can't see, but a really nice tactile button press under the silicone. And same over here, guys. Nice tactile button press for it to be made into the case. But I do see some little slits in the side. They must have found a way to engineer it where it got a slit in the side, but it don't look like it too much. So if you look around front, you got a nice raised lip on this case. If you drop this case, guys, the raised lip will take the impact if it's on a flat surface. And that's what you want. You don't want your display to take the impact. But they boasted a really strong MagSafe magnet, so we just gotta check it out real quick. I got the ring holder. Snaps right into place. And as you can see, it's not going anywhere. Nice magnetic pull on the MagSafe. So MagSafe powers are definitely strong enough on this one, guys. But just a really clean case here, guys. Shout out to ESR. This is a nice aesthetic, MagSafe kickstand, protection, soft touch, a lot of things in one case for about 20 bucks. There'll be a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.